And then I'll open up again and close. Hip airplane. Delicious. You're going to need a support right about hip height, maybe a little higher. In this case, I'm using a windowsill. And then 1 foot kick straight out, 1 foot kick straight down, and I'm going to rotate at the hip. So the hand that's supporting me is the same side that has the foot that's down. Hip opens up, hip closes, and goes past neutral until I'm internally rotating. I'm trying to point my hips across my body to the other side. And then I'll open up again and close. Woo! That's it. If you want to spice it up, which I recommend, get a light-ish weight and hold it in your free hand. This will help to add some resistance in external rotation and add some assistance in internal rotation, which makes me feel a whole bunch more stretch on my outer hip, in this case on my left side. Whew. Boy, that's good. Full range of motion. Rotate at the hips. Don't confuse that with rotating at the shoulder or the back, and make sure that your foot, your back leg, stays up, doesn't get loose and floppy. Otherwise, it's not going to work.